Right, my Xiaomi 14 has officially arrived. Let's unbox now. While I open this up, just a quick backstory. I had a decision to make, either to order a Chinese variant off eBay, and to be honest, there are actually some good prices for the Xiaomi on eBay. So I was left in limbo, you know, and like for like a day, I even went on my computer and I had to make a decision. You know, I pros and cons, eBay or not eBay, or go again from official the Xiaomi website, and I decided to go with the official Xiaomi website. So if you're struggling with the same thing, same sort of dilemma, I can make a video about why you shouldn't buy it on eBay. But yeah, that's something that I might be doing. So stay tuned if you want to look into that. But here we have the box. So I did get the black version. Now the reason why, now I know that the jade green is what everyone's hyped up about, but the reason why I didn't get the jade green is because I felt like, what if I don't like the green, or what if I get bored of it? And black is just a color where you don't really have to like or get bored of, you know. It's black, and it's just good. It might not be amazing, it might not be the best, but you can't really hate it, and it's just a safe option. Let's see what we have in here. Now this is what I love Xiaomi. Whenever you buy one of their phones, they do actually give you like, look, there you go. I got a case already right off the bat. Yeah, just phones like Samsung and Apple, they really do annoy me with. They don't even send you a charger in the box. Now, this is my first time actually holding the Xiaomi 14. I've never even seen it or touched it, and my damn, like this phone feels amazing, man. Like, especially the design of this phone. Like, oh, it feels so good. Oh, geez, let me open this up. Ooh, hey. The only thing I don't like, why is this here? This doesn't need to be here. As man, this phone, it does feel really good. And if you don't know what phone I have or what phone I'm used to holding, I had the Samsung S22 Ultra. That is actually what is recording this video right now. So yeah, but damn, okay, I'll try and explain. This is my first ever phone review or unboxing, or, you know, whatever. So I don't really know what to talk about. All I can tell you is the metal feels good and it feels heavy. It does feel premium, and it doesn't feel like cheap plastic or anything like that. Reminds me a lot of the iPhone, which I personally love, because I actually love the iPhone's design. I wish they don't change it. I wish they keep it the same. But then again, that's probably because I've never actually had an iPhone. But this is like my hand. So here you go. This is how big it is. My hands are kind of small, you know, like I don't really have large hands, but I know what to compare it to. Hold on. Here is my dusty Xbox controller. So yeah, that should give you like a good example of like how big it is. I think Xiaomi even installed a protective glass over it as well. Yeah, I could see it. I think they've already installed a form of protection on glass at the front. Right, so, and in the box of where we open the case, we also get a pin to open stuff with, you know, like the SIM card slots and stuff, which is, as always, greatly appreciated. Let me move this here, and let's see what's underneath here. I'm expecting the charger to be in here. I don't really know how to... It's not... Oh, there you go. Jeez. Yeah, this was struggling to come out. And there you go, the 90-watt charger in the box when you make a purchase. Jesus Christ, man. I really like, it really does frustrate me when Samsung and iPhone don't do this. But yeah, they gave me the UK version. And this came from China too. And it came in 2 days, which is, you know, really, really surprising. As far as the color go, I'm actually quite pleased with the color that I picked. I didn't want to go for the jade green because the jade green is does pick up a lot of fingerprint, and this wouldn't pick up a lot of fingerprint. It just looks slick, you know. I'm happy that I chose the black one. Right, so charger, phone, and the case, as well as the pin, right? And then we need the cable. Now, I'm hoping this is a long cable. I hope it's not short. It is kind of short. Sadly, it's like 1 meter long, I think. It's not like the shortest or anything. I just cannot stop holding this phone. Like, it is quite thick. I'd say the thickness on the sides is very, very similar to the iPhone. But we'll just leave that to the side. Now, next up, we do have the Xiaomi Pad 6 that they send it to you with as like a gift. So basically, when you make a purchase on Xiaomi's official website, you have to pay a little bit extra. Well, I'm not even sure if it's extra, but it's quite expensive. And they actually give you a Xiaomi Pad 6 for free with it. It's funny because this is the exact same tactic that I use in the restaurant that I work in, and it's a business tactic. They make it look like it's free, but they're forcing you to pay for it, which kind of sucks, and it does annoy me that I had to pay extra, because I'm gonna sell this anyway. I don't even want to open it, so if that's what you're waiting for, yeah, that's not gonna happen. Because I'm gonna sell this. I actually don't need this. The only reason why I bought it is because I couldn't find an option where I just buy it by itself. Maybe if there is, I don't know, you guys can let me know. But right, so this is one of the reasons why I love Xiaomi, because their biometrics are so far from what I've seen, unmatched. Now, I know some of you will say an iPhone is pretty good, which I agree, but this strange thing happened when I picked up my cousin's iPhone once, and it recognized my face as his and actually unlocked, which I didn't expect from an iPhone. So that was quite weird, and we don't even look that much alike. So, okay, let's see. Now, the only issue with this phone is the fingerprint sensor. I can agree, it's too far below. It needs to be like somewhere around here for it to be comfortably used. As far as the camera thing goes, at the back, the bump, it does sit well like a little rest for your finger when you're holding it. It does give you that extra grip, which is good. It's not bad. It's actually a positive. Right, now let's see the little fingerprint sensor that should work amazingly. Now, the fingerprint sensor of Xiaomi phones are amazing, and they have always been amazing. So what I like to do is I like to hold it at different angles, as if I was like to just pick up my phone and then, I don't know, just do as many different angles as I can. So it works every single time, no matter which angle I'm picking up the phone from. Right, now immediately the thing I want to check is, you know, the peak brightness and everything. Okay, that is brighter than the Samsung S22 Ultra. That, honestly, man, this phone does look really, really amazing. It does feel amazing as well. Damn. Well, let's just have a little camera test as well. Let's see how the camera app is. Vibrant or natural and realistic? Do I want AI to change the colors and to tweak the colors to make it look better, or do I want it to be realistic? I think I'm gonna go vibrant. I think so. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I could just change it anyway, right? It's not even that serious, right? Let's just go. I have taken a picture of my hairy arm, and is it better than the S22 Ultra? I basically look like a werewolf. It's detecting every single hair follicle I have. So I mean, it's great. I still need to do some more tests. I'll leave that for like another video when I do like a comparison video with the S22 Ultra. Right, so I still do need to do more tests, but I am very, very excited about this phone. Let me just try the fingerprint sensor, and it opens. I swear to God, on my Samsung, I turned off the fingerprint sensor because it just never worked on the Samsung, man. And I paid £1,000 for that phone. So to being able to do this, man, without fail, is gonna bring back so many memories, man. Hey, my boy Ronaldo. Oh man, that's gonna feel so good. But yeah, I can't wait. I'm super excited right now. So I need to test this phone's camera out because the Samsung S22 camera is amazing. So I kind of need to, you know, check out this phone's camera a bit more and stuff, you know, play around with it. And then I guess I'll do like a review later on. But yeah, if you guys did appreciate this video, you know what to do. Show the love, show the support. This was the first ever like phone unboxing or video I was doing. If it is jumbled up and I did ramble along, I do apologize. This sort of is a working process. So, but yeah, if there's anything else you want to know about the Xiaomi 14 or just any other info, just hit me up. I'll let you guys know. This is the 512 version, 512 GB with 12 GB RAM. Obviously I wanted to get the 16 GB with the 1 TB, but it just wasn't available, so I just bought this anyway. It should be fine anyway. I don't think it will be an issue. Damn, that just feels so good, man, just being able to anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. That's it for this video. See ya. Take care. Right, so I have been using the phone for a while, and I think it's about time I make a tips and tricks video, so that is also on the list. I will be making a tips and tricks video for the Xiaomi 14, just basically a few things that you should do when you first purchase the Xiaomi 14 to make your experience better and just to show you around the phone. But yeah, stay tuned for that, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I also do need to make a comparison video with my S22 Ultra, so yeah, I got a lot of things to record, man. And then I also need to do like a MetaQuest 3 thing. There's a lot. I'm gonna try and get it through all done like throughout this whole week coming up, so yeah.